Good morning, students. Now we have already did up to 34, 39. We continue from 14. In question number 14, हमारा 28 बढ़िया हो. Okay. So फिर भी मैं आउटरे कर दूँगी. इटा important अच्छी. सहज भी अच्छी. Now here what will happen? Now A B हमको दे दी थी. A B transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Okay, B transpose A transpose हमें कर दो. Okay, A is equal to 1 minus 2 2 3 1 minus 1. Okay, B is equal to 2 4 1 2 3 minus 1. 2 4 1 2 3 minus 1. So it is a 2 by 3 matrix. It is a D by 2 matrix. Then what is a verify A B transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. First पे हमें A B बाहर कर दो. A B by 1 minus 2 2 3 1 minus 1 into 2 4 1 2 3 minus 1. Now we multiply this one with this one. So what do you get? You will get a 2 by 2 matrix. No matrix का जो होगा हमारा 2 by 2 matrix होगा. 1 2 जा 2 minus 2 plus 6. 3 2 जा 6 plus 1 minus 3. ऐसे तो इधर 4 minus 4 minus 2. 3 4 जा 12 plus 2 plus 1. Okay. So what we are getting? 2 2 cancel. 6 हमको मिला. 6 का 7 3 गले. 4 4 4 कैंसिल -2 बाद में 14 का 15. So this is your AB. Now AB transpose is equal to a rota into Puresco and a rota into Puresco. Okay. Now we verify AB transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. So to do so, what do we get? First B transpose करले एटा को हमें रो कॉलम करे पड़ियो 2 4 1 2 3 minus 1. A transpose this one हमरो एटा फर्स्ट रो टा फर्स्ट कॉलम हे जिवो 1 minus 2 2 3 1 minus 1. then B transpose A transpose हमें कोनिबा 2 1 3 4 2 minus 1 into 1 3 minus 2 1 2 minus 1. So here again it will be a 2 by 2 matrix. देखो 2 1 जा 2 minus 2 3 2 जा 6 4 1 जा 4 minus 4 minus 2. Then 2 3 जा 6 1 3 minus 4 3 जा 12 2 1 जा 2 minus minus plus 1 which is equal to 6 minus 2 6 plus 1 7 तो 3 गले 4 बाकी जो देखो 15. Okay, so which is equal to this one. Therefore AB transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. Okay, very fine. Right? Right on. जल्दी देखो. एटा हमरो लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन ही पारे 4 मार्क शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन ही पारे. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली 4 मार्क शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन ही हमरा आसे. ओके. Okay, completed. Now here we will go for 41. 41 is the important problem. Long question in mare. Already 1 year ita podi sahichi. Okay, ethi tinta equation dechi. From there we have to find the value of A, B, C. If A, B, C are matrices of order 2 by 2, 2A plus B plus C, it is given 2A plus B plus C is equal to 1, 2, 3, 0. Next, it is given that there A plus B plus C 0, 1, 2, 1. This can be taken as equation 1. A plus B plus C is equal to your 0, 1, 2, 1, and this can be taken as equation 2. And third one, A plus B minus C is equal to 1, 2, 1, 0. This is your third equation. Okay. So from here you have to find A, B, C. Find A, B, C. All A, B, C are 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, हमें इक्वेशन जेमती सॉल्व करते सेमती सॉल्व करता so that हमें बाइजिला. So first of all I will add equation 2 and equation 3. Add equation 2 and 3. Okay, what will you get? A 2A, B, 2B, C cancel is 0, so it will be 0, and AB का add is 1 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 0 plus 1. देखो भाई 1 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 0 plus 1. So it will be 2A plus 2B is equal to 1, 3, 3, 1. It may be taken as equation 4. So what I will do here now, again I will do 8, 1 and 3. Again 8, 1 and 3. देखो A B का ऐड करेंगे. So 2A plus A, 3A, B plus B, 2B, again C cancel is 0. What do we get here? 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 1, then 0 plus 0, which is equal to 2, 4, 4, 0. Equation 5. Now ଏବେ ଏଇଥିରେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଆମେ apply କରିଦେଲେ we will get our A B. now 4 ରୁ 5 ଟା subtract कर दଉଛି. Subtract equation 5 from equation 4 from 5 equation minus 4 equation. मु टिके डायरेक्ट लिखि दोछि. देखो पहले 3A minus 2A you will get 8. 2B minus 2B cancel ହେଇଯିବ is equal to एटे रहइबो कोन. देखो we are subtracting 5 to 4. 2 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, then 0 minus 1. So what we are getting? A is equal to 1, 1, 1 minus 1. We get A. Okay. So A रो मूल्य ता इक्वेशन 4 रे किबा 5 रे पके देले हमें B रो वैल्यू ता पाइ जाय. Write down this one, then we will continue. Okay. Okay. Now we put the value of A in equation 4. Put the value of A in equation 4. So what you will get? 2 into A equal to 1, 1, 1 minus 1 plus 2B is equal to 1, 3, 3, 1. This is your equation 4. Okay, it is okay. 2 into A, 2B, rahila, eta rahila. Okay. Then, I will put 2 nahi kare. You will get 2B is equal to 1, 3, 3, 1 minus. Look at here. Eta 2 guni de 2, 2, 2 minus 2. 2, 2, 2 minus 2. So 2B is equal to 1 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 1 minus of minus 2, that is plus 3. So B is equal to divided by 2 minus half, 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 3 by 2. Okay, here is your A, then this is your B. Okay. Now, if you put the value of AB in equation this one, you will get the value of C. Okay. A, put the value of AB in equation 2. A equation to पके दो. A टा हम केती की रखी छी जी A रो वैल्यू टा अछि 1 1 1 minus 1. B रो वैल्यू टा this one minus 1 by 2, then 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2 plus C is equal to 0, 1, 2, 1. Okay, now add these two. 1 to half kale half, 1 plus half 3 by 2, 1 plus half 3 by 2 minus 1 3 by 2 to 1 kale half. Okay, so this is plus C is equal to your 0, 1, 2, 1. Therefore, C is equal to 0, 1, 2, 1 minus half 3 by 2, 3 by 2 half. Okay, what we are getting? Minus half, एक को बेटा बोले minus half, 2 into 3 by 3 बोले plus half, and एक को आधा बोले plus half. This is your C. Okay. Already A आंटी ले, এটা B, এটা this is your C. Right now, okay. Okay, now we go for 42. X y x by 2 plus t plus y x plus t x plus 2 x by 2 is equal to 1 for 2. Okay. Then find x y t. बुक रे z बोली देछि, there will be no z because question में हमर z नहीं, सेट में z ता हमर किछि आवश्यकता नहीं. So just equation solve कर देले पाइजो एटा 2/2 अछि, एटा भी 2/2 अछि, एटा भी 2/2 अछि. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल add these two. Okay, x plus y, this one plus this one, x plus y plus t, x plus x, that is 2x plus 2, x by 2 plus x by 2 x plus t is equal to 1 4 2 3. Okay, again one three कह दोछि पिछाटा. Okay, x plus y x t, then x plus x 2x plus 2, it x by 2 अछि, it भी x by 2 अछि, x है गला plus t. एटा को लेके हम चारटा इक्वेशन कर दला. So चारटा इक्वेशन को सॉल्व कर दो. x plus y is equal to 1. Okay, it is 2x plus 2 is equal to 2, x plus y plus t is equal to 4, x plus t is equal to 3. Okay, so we can do directly. Now from here इतना सब्सट्रैक्ट कर दो हमें. सो कितने हो, x को x कैंसिल, t को t कैंसिल. So it becomes y is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. y. Okay, so y is equal to 1 আসলে এটা ইকুয়েশন 1 2 এটা দেখিও 3 এটা দেখিও 4. প্রথমে हम 3 4 ऐड कर देली, y ର ভ্যালুটা এটি পকাই দিও. y का value 1 आसला. put this here, x plus 1 is equal to 1, so x is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. x ର value पळे आसला. then t, x plus t is equal to 3, so 0 plus t is equal to 3, then t is equal to 3. इसे y value, it x value, it is t value. x y t, x टा 0, y टा 1, z टा t टा हलो 3. राइट डाउन. This is your 42. Okay, next 43 and 44, these two are very interesting problems. ए वर्ष 43 बोधे पड़िथिला एग्जाम रे 2020 रे सो एठी हमको किसी करबा नहीं जो डाटा देछि वर्ड प्रॉब्लम भले देछि से डाटा टाको हमें मैट्रिक्स आकार रे सजे दबा देन बाय यूजिंग मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन हमें से वैल्यू जाको बाहर कर ओके सो then you know 43 what it says in the question it says that there are two families A and B in family A there are 4 men 6 women and 2 children in family B there are 2 men 2 women and 4 children the recommended daily amount of calories 2400 for man 1900 for women and 1800 for children and 45 grams of protein for men, 55 grams for women and 33 grams for children. Represent the above information using matrix by matrix multiplication. Calculate the total requirement of calories and proteins for the each of the two families. So there are two families, family A and family B. This is your family A. This is your family B. First रे हमें family टा को मैट्रिक्स आकार में सजाए family रे क्या असंख्य men, women and children. Okay. In first family रे A family रे there are 4 men, 6 women and 2 children. 4 men, 6 women and 2 children. The second family there are only 2 men, 2 women and 4 children. 2 men, 2 women and 4 children. So you can take this as a matrix. Let it be your P is equal to 4 6 2 2 2 4 which is a 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, so एठी हमरो family रहिला column side रे and row side रे रहले number of children. In the second family रे जो children women men अछंती सेमान को केतकी requirement अछि protein and calories. Okay, so it a man এটা ফার্স্ট ম্যাট্রিক্সটা আমরা এটাকে P বলি নেব ওকে দেন দ্য সেকেন্ড ম্যাট্রিক্স ମୁଁ ତାକୁ কোন বলবি men women and children so what happens here how many men women children there are family A sorry 80 আমরা 4 6 2 okay and family हमरो ये 2 to 4 अछंती okay 80 women children 80 हमरो रहला हमरो 80 बीच फैमिली A and B बाकी जो रहला हमरो कैलोरीज ईच मैन को केतकी दरकार पड़ुची कैलोरी से कहिची जे family A को the recommended daily amount of calories 2400 for men 1900 for women and 1800 for children okay so ए जो family रहेगा एठी हमरो calories and proteins हमको requirement अछि तो first of all calories एठी men को 2400 women को 1900 and children मान को only 1800 एठी proteins रे men को दरकार हमरो 45 grams women मान को 55 grams and children मान को दरकार 33 grams. So it becomes एटा मान को suppose मु Q matrix ने दी तो एटा एला हमरो 2400 45 1900 55 and 1833. Okay, which is a 3/2 matrix. Now by multiplying P and Q we will get A by केतकी protein और calorie, B by केतकी protein और calorie दरकार. Now here there are two matrices. First matrix this one P we multiply with second matrix Q so that we get the answer. Now I will multiply P into Q. So P डाला हमारा 462 224 into Q डाला 2400 1900 1800 45 55 33. So it is 2/3, it is 3/2. You can multiply. Remember it A अच्छी it B अच्छी है. So multiply this one into this one 0 0 plus this one into this one. Okay, then this one 1400 plus 3800 plus 7200. Now multiply this one 90 function is 330 plus 66 9 again 90 110 so 3 by 4. Okay, write down. Okay, write down. Okay, so this becomes 24,600 and this one 15,800, this one 576 and this one 350. Okay, therefore this is your calorie, this is your protein, and this is family A, this is family B. Therefore family A required 24,600 calories and 560 grams of protein, and family B require 15,800 of calories of energy and 332 grams of proteins. Okay, this is your answer. Right? Write down. then the last one. A exercise ro last problem. Okay. Similarly, like this, eta theta भी बढ़िया होगा. Now what it says here, 44. Okay, a trust found 50,000 that be invested in two types of bond, first and second bonds respectively, pay annual interest of 5% rate and 6% rate respectively. Using the matrix multiplication, determine how to invest the money in these bonds so as to get the annual interest of 2,780. So let the trust invest X rupees in the first bond and the remaining kete rahe, remaining amara total amount 50,000 according to the question, so remaining kete rahe, therefore the remaining amount, that is 50,000 minus X will be invested in the second bond. Okay, so obviously according to question, the first bond gives interest 5% and the second bond gives interest 6%. Now maximum amount the trust gets is rupees 27,780. ओके, आपको हमें मैट्रिक्स कर दबा, से मैट्रिक्स का को हमें सॉल्यूशन कर दबा. ओके, सो हियर व्हाट विल हैपन, what x, what a 50,000 minus x, it will be a 2/1 matrix. तर इंटरेस्ट रेट आसिला हमर गोटे फर्स्ट टार 5%, सेकंड टार हमर आसिला केते 6%. सो 5% that is 5/100, 6% that is 6/100. So this becomes, now here we will get 5/100 in 6/100. So here this will be the rate of interest. So it is amara 1/2 matrix. A beta गुणिले what we are getting 2,780. Remember, eta rate of interest 5%, 6%. eta amara amount of investment. Rate of interest ta को मु गोटे रो मैट्रिक्स कली and eta को मु कॉलम मैट्रिक्स कली, so that एथि मल्टीप्लिकेशन पॉसिबल होबो and as a result हमरो आंसर रे 1/1 matrix as which will be equal to this one. सेथु हमें एक्स्ट्रा सॉल्व कर दे परिबा. ओके, सो मल्टीप्लाई दिस वन 5x/100 then plus एटा कोणी दियो 54 1 2 3 4 by 100 minus 6x/100 is equal to 2,780. 80. Now এটা 5x 6x করলে minus x by 100 এটা দুইটা 0 টু দুইটা 0 কাটে দিও 3000 টা আমরা okay I am going to go right now. So it will be 27 80 minus 3000 which will be minus x is equal to 100 into 80 कितने होगा हमारा 3000 2827 80 0 2 2 okay 2 2 0 with minus sign. So minus x is equal to it minus 22,000. So in the x value place 22,000. Therefore the trust invest rupees 22,000 in first bond and remaining कितने वाला 50,000 टोटल अमाउंट 50,000 रो 22,000 वाले 28,000 in second bond. Okay, this completes your chapter 1 4A exercise. Okay, now we discuss 4B, that is matrix ro outtake symmetric skew symmetric matrix and other type of matrices in the next chapter next exercise. Okay, eta likhi lo, right? Thank you, have a nice day.